Summertime, summertime, summertime. That's all I know. Hey everybody, it's Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and summer is here. Well, unofficial summer is here. June is here. That means that it's time to open the May 2022 Cache Crate. If you don't know what the Cache Crate is, it is a monthly geocaching subscription box. Lisa from Spokane, Washington packs up geocaching goodies and packs them in a little box, and I get them every month and I open them up for you on screen the next month so you can see a little bit of what it is like. I also get envelopes every month from Lisa for a geocaching tees, which is a geocaching t-shirt subscription service. So we're gonna do both of these today. This is the May Cache Crate, and I'd say the weight this month is medium weight, yes. What's inside will get you outside. Look at the presentation, oh, it's so nice. First thing I noticed was a little rubber snake. Ooh. Some nice little swag to put in a cache, nice little start. I wonder if the theme of this month's Cache Crate is snakes. We'll see. These come in very, very useful. These are going into my geocaching bag stat. The Stop Bugging Me all natural mosquito bye-bye wipe. I live in the state of Minnesota, where the state bird is the mosquito. True story. That is actually not true. It is the common loon. But the next most common bird is mosquito. And how important and how useful is this? Again, going directly into my geocaching bag. This will come in very, very handy. This is it. It's just so much summer stuff. Lisa, you know what you're doing. We got Honey Stinger Rapid Hydration Mix. It gets hot, it's sweating time. You gotta make sure you're hydrated. So you put this little mix in your water and it helps you keep hydrated. And the flavor I have is mango melon. Yes. More great stuff for on the trail. These are Honey Stinger Energy Chews. Sweeten the burn. Organic bite-sized soft chews for quick, sustained energy on the go. And another hydration mix. Ooh, ooh. I don't have one of these. We got a creative geocache. Butterfly in the sky. I can go twice as high. Take a look. It's a butterfly geocache. We have a creative container, a butterfly. You put a bison tube in its butt. And it also has a log sheet. Perfect. Ready to go. Creative geocache. I can see myself putting this in a tree somewhere. Great. Oh! We got another geocaching container here. And inside of it, another little mini logbook and a little horse. Nee, nee. I'm gonna call you Mr. Ed. And we have a little parachute man. Another little nice piece of swag. If you watch my Cache Crate unboxings before, you know that I always get the add-on trackable. It looks like we have a little grasshopper trackable. Boing! This is something new, introducing the Cache Crate Trail Mix playlist, allergy and gluten-free. So, if I maybe scan the QR code, maybe I'm gonna get a little music, possibly. I'm not gonna play any of the songs because I don't want a copyright strike, but check this out. It is a geocaching trail playlist. What a fun idea, some geocaching related songs when you hit the road on those summer geocaching road trips. And here is the May 2022 bingo sticker for my bingo card. All right, if you're interested in the Cache Crate, go to cachecrate.com. If it is open, you can subscribe there and you can get these geocaching boxes sent to you. And if you use the promo code GEO15 at checkout, you will get 15% off your first payment. So you save more if you do the 6 months or the full year. I am slightly behind in the t-shirts. This is the shirt that was sent to me in April. I do have May's shirt as well, but that's okay to be a little bit behind. But this is what all the people got in the month of April. You get to see the color first. What color is it? What color is it? Ooh, we got green. I love this brand shirt. It is so soft. And what do we have? What's the design? It's a geocaching seasons shirt that shows the several seasons of geocaching. Ooh, this one is so soft. I think I need to try it on through the magic of YouTube. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, bam! Ooh, this one is Nice. Oh, what a great color. Perfect color for the summer, geocaching seasons, and it is soft. Oh, one of my favorites. This is a soft shirt. Good job, Lisa, on this. So, if you're interested in a geocaching tee, go to geocachingtees.com and you can subscribe there. You can get a geocaching t-shirt sent to you every single month as well. I have plenty of things to get my summer started, and I hope to see you out there this summer as we head to some mega events. And if you see me, ask me if I'm dehydrated, because that means I didn't hydrate with all my hydration mixes. See you out there, people.